of social worker from Williamton University. We are here to warmly invite you all in the area to attend the awareness program on the dangers of drugs. In this program, we would like to share about the harmful effects of drugs on our individual life, family and society, as well as how to avoid falling into drug addiction. So, in this program, we will not only talk about the harmful
Gidot mutasi hang ni apa dong bonsong tingkat bagi kena ki students yang ka William Carey University. The dream mission ka mismo ka bodon kam bangin penklan ya ki ka bor ka sor ki kena because mismo di lyngba ki kena magila ban pendam penduk jat yang dia jigdi drugs te mentang ya pelongga internship ke bajur ha bat ki kena college ki penklan ye ki mentang kala dong malai pulai shen ngin yo ma ars pangot na ki college ma pero ka Thmu juga jong dream mission ka longban penklan ya ki ka bor ka jengmut jong bekat jong ki kena jong ki kena jongi bat ki dei maki ki be ben lam nanti ya ka awareness campaign ya ki jeng pen soto para brio pyrshah ya u droks tadi nak kata-kata mentah ni pelong ki awareness campaign kum gini ki street shows man ka keleng ka social mentah bila dia bawa kenailah bat yo molong bu mentah kan ni sen ni le ang le pon sa publish